Hi guys, we are discussing in this YouTube video that at Shesh Educare on 6th of May we are conducting orientation for your CA Foundation September 24 exams. Now it is in black and white, boss. In my previous video, I had hinted about you guys appearing for CA Foundation in September 24, but now it is in black and white. Very important announcement. You must go and register yourself with ICAI before 1st of May if you want to appear in September 24 exam. When the lectures will start, how the lectures will be conducted, who all will be teaching you, how to study, what about the study material, when the portion will be completed, whether we will be conducting the test series or no, whether weekly test will be there or no, how many prelims we will conduct, etc., etc., etc. Everything I will discuss in detail in front of you guys physically, face to face on 6th of May. So here we go. Call up, book your seat, complete your registration with Shesh Educare, and I'm going to see you on 6th of May. And yes, we're going to rock and roll for our CA Foundation September 24 attempt. See you guys on 6th of May. Bye.